formula for profits? Something minus something. Very good, very good. Revenue minus costs, correct? So they are driven by profits, okay? So if someone sells food, of course they want to earn more, right? So how to earn more? How to push up revenue? They will say, we'll give you a discount. Hey, but if you give a discount, it also eats into your profits. So usually food sellers, when they give a discount, they'll try to cut down the cost. Instead of one full prawn, they give you half a prawn. Okay, that's what they'll do. So if you're driven by profits, you will aim to maximize your revenue and minimize your costs. Make sense, huh? Cost cutting. We always throw out this term, huh? Cost cutting. So this is what we like. Which means by default, they are going to produce at the lowest possible cost. So PE will be achieved. You don't have to worry about that. Leave it to the market. They will ensure productive efficiency. Why? They need to maximize profits. If they don't, other producers will kick them out of the market. Alright, so this will be achieved by default. Okay. Not in a command economy. Okay. So in centrally planned economies like North Korea, they do not do this. Right? Chances are you get a lot more corruption cases. Huh? Okay, next one. For whom to produce? Do you think this is achieved? Huh? No, you're right. Who decides who to produce for? Is it consumers or producers? Producers. Again, this is a producer's call. Okay? So I will say that because producers are profit driven. Okay, profit driven is the same as profit motivated, alright? Because they are profit driven, they will produce for people who are willing and able to pay. They are not in the business of charity, okay? So equity is not achieved. Okay? Equity means you want to produce for those who need the thing the most. And it often refers to those who can't pay for it. Okay? So it's like you get 1 mark and then you lose another mark here. Okay? We are grading the price mechanism. We are checking to see how it performs. Okay, so this is a happy phase, sad phase. Okay, so this is what and how much to produce. I left this for the last because you can only explain this with a diagram. Okay. But before I go on, are there any questions? No. Okay, follow on. Okay. So, what and how much to produce? Okay. Quantity, price. Remember last week I showed you this? Supply curve, demand curve, supply and demand curve. Okay, supply is upward sloping because higher price incentivizes them to produce more. When price is higher, they can earn more, so they will likely produce more. Demand is downward sloping because when the price is higher, we rather consume other things. Okay. So assume price is at P1. Okay. If the price is at P1, QD